Hi, back again with me, Shelly. Today I will show you Nail chapter 2. This part is continue from the other video. Please, you can check in my other video to see how I make the gel structure. I put in some base gel here, okay, for the rice tint. Okay, we start now. Today I will choose the blue rice tint. Because I want match with my reverse design and some silver ball. Okay, like this. I will put in the big stone and also the small stone. I really love the bling bling. It's like my hand look luxury, and I'm no need put in some ring on my fingers. I really like that. You can make creation and anything what you like. Okay, we put in again some the base gel after we curing the lamp. This I will use for the silver ball, so the silver ball can stay good and longer, more than 3 weeks. Okay. You must be patient to put in to create all. Yes. But I also don't want to put in some design look like old rings. It's not my style. I like more bling bling and modern. Okay. Yes. Now the bling is finished. Now I will to continue to painting the other gel. No, I mean to painting the other fingers. I'm not going to show you how I put in the gel in this video because in the chapter 1 I already put in everything. You can see and watch by chapter 1. Now I put in the glitters here. Okay. I put in different color and different fingers, different color. Some the other one blue, some the other one red, some the other one green, some the other one purples. Whatever you like to create the fingers. That is the nail art. You not follow the rules, must be like this, but you can break the rules and do what you like. That is the art, right? Okay. This is the way I am to put in the nail art. I'm not going to follow other people, must be like this, like that with the rules. No, I choose my way. This is my way. You can also take inspiration, but I don't want to copy other people's design. Okay, let's finish the glitters. We put out all the nail form and we can start to put in the gel again on top the glitters, and then we file again the nail surface. Okay. see some here. Too much filing doesn't enough, so I put in again some gel to correct it all. Okay, when you're happy, you put into the lamp and you put in again the top coat. Okay, beautiful people, thanks again to watch my video nail art tutorial, and thanks again to watching all my video and support my video YouTube. I hope you really like it. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and support my channel. Have a nice day everybody, and I see you again next time with other video. Bye bye.